girl, comma. I just wanted to do this video in regards to depression during this holiday season. Let's start reflecting on what we do have. Forget about what we don't have. We take this one day to decide to go buy all this stuff for people. To me, I'd rather see what I can get throughout the year. The Lord blessed me this year, I will say, to be able to do some things for my children that I didn't think I was going to be able to do, but God made a way. I've been depressed. I know what it feels like. I was praying and the Lord put it in my spirit. Without faith, it's impossible to please God. How is it that I can please God by being depressed? If I'm depressed, I have no faith. So guess what? It's impossible to please God without faith. When you're depressed, what you're saying is that God cannot do this. God cannot do this. He can do all things. With God, all things are possible, not just some things. So what? Let's enjoy this day. Let's give it over to the Lord because the world gave it over to the Lord. Without Christ, we wouldn't even have this day. So thank him for having this day. Enjoy your family. So what if you can buy one thing? Be creative. But remember, it's not about us. It's about Jesus. Depression is a very hard thing. And I didn't like going through it. I didn't like staying in the bed and moping around the house. I was very unproductive. But it was time for me to get off my tail and do something about it. And that I did. And that's what I'm doing now. I refuse to go back into depression. I refuse to be broke for the rest of my life. I refuse to do things that will not be productive. So have that same mind frame. Have that same mindset. I hope this encourages somebody out there who's going through. Guess what? We all go through. This is the hardest time of the year for many people. But guess what? This too shall pass. You make it different. It's up to you. Just know God will see you through.